Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. So today we're going to be unboxing wireless earbud from Lenovo. And so this is actually the Thinkplus LP19. So this is actually how it looks like. So you can see here the product name is actually LP19 using Bluetooth 5.3. The earbuds have like a battery life of like 4 hours. It takes about 1.5 hours to charge the earphone. Casing itself is like 230 milliamp. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the casing. Okay, let's get into it. So when you pull everything out, what you'll be getting is you actually see this like a white plastic, very flimsy like a holder, and the earbud is actually in the middle, translucent kind of like plastic wrapper. Then besides that, you have this white color charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. And then you have the user manual, whereby one side is like Mandarin and then another side is in English. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Ooh, it's like beige color actually. It's not really white, it's like beige color. Off-white, some would call it. Like oval shape, egg shape, matte finishing. Nothing much. Thinkplus on the front, and then there's this stroke of this thing. I'm probably not too sure, but let's check it out later. I think that it should be indication light. At the bottom is like a USB-C charging port. At the back is the Lenovo company name. Other than that, nothing else. Okay, let's open the lid. It's actually open here. You actually see the inside, it follows the same color scheme as the exterior casing. So another thing you will notice is that the logo on the left earbud and right earbud, they're like inverted, which is a good way to tell you whether you insert them correctly. So from this top view, you will see that it's actually facing downwards and the stem is facing out. Let's take out the earbud. So you can see that they're actually really small, very compact. They're not in ear, by the way. So this black thing you see here is actually where the music are coming out from. And this round shaped reflective surface you see here, this is where the touch control are. And then there's another stroke here, probably is an indicator. It's nice that the left and right printing on the ear, on the stem are actually very readable, very large. Okay, I'm just going to wear them. Very easy to slip on. It's basically just slip them on and then that's it. You know, just need to make some adjustment just to see how they're going to fit in your ear, and then that's about it. Okay, taking them out. As with all earbuds, brand new, what I do first thing is I always charge them up first. Right, so what we have here is actually a USB-C cable. Let's plug in the charging port. Immediately you see that this is actually light up and it's currently flashing white color. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it there and see what happens when it's full. Alright, so you can see here after like charging for a while, so the light on the front actually just goes off. So this actually shows that it is actually fully charged. Right guys, so I'm going to be showing you actually how to do the Bluetooth pairing of the Thinkplus LP19 with an Android phone. So what I have with me here is actually the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3. What I need to do first is open up the phone, go into the settings, Bluetooth, make sure it's actually switched on. Alright, so the scanning has started. What I need to do is flip open the lid. This is to actually see if the earbud has any quick pairing. For a couple of seconds, there's no quick pairing, so you know you need to take out the earbuds. And immediately you can see LP19 popping up on the screen. Tap on that. Ask for pairing. Pair. And it's done. Very quick, very fast. So the next thing I want to do is I just want to test out the audio quality. So I'll just go into music, and it currently should be on 50% level. Alright, here you go. This is at halfway line. So the earbuds are like 30 to 40 centimeters away from the built-in microphone of my iPhone 12 mini, which is actually over here filming the overhead shot. Nothing. So let me up the volume. So now it's at maximum volume of 100%. Physically, I can actually hear the music now very clearly, but I'm not too sure about the microphone of my iPhone 12 mini, whether is it able to actually pick up any voice. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be wearing the earbuds just to see what is the actual audio quality. I'll just back it down to like 50% wearing them right now. Let me start right from the beginning. I'll go to another song. String instrument is pretty clear even at 50%. Taylor Swift is currently singing, so it's a female voice. I feel that it's actually very forward, but at the same time it feels like it's playing from the radio. It's like there's a layer of airiness. Okay, let me up it to 100%. Something interesting about this earbuds, the LP19, is that when I up it to 100%, the vocal is being constantly pushed more and more forward, and as it gets louder, so to the point whereby it's almost like screaming into your ear.
as Taylor Swift was singing, and it was very painful right from the start. Okay, I don't think I can actually tolerate. Okay, let me try something else, more of a commentary video. Commentary videos are fine. YouTube videos or videos that has a lot of talking is perfectly fine. It's very clear, very sharp, very crisp, very forward. Should I actually recommend it? Well, yes, if you want something that is actually non-intrusive. These are actually non-in-ear, so actually just sit right outside of your ear, and you want something very, very small, very compact, not very protruding a lot, then yeah, you can actually consider the LP19. But do take note is that the audio tuning is not very fantastic, so there's actually not a lot of bass to talk about. Music enjoyment, I would say, is really something really bare minimum. Okay, but yeah, I would say that if you just want something that is for like simple daily usage, for like listening to video, audiobooks, and etc, and you don't want something to be stuck in your ear, yeah, I think this earbuds would be great. So this has actually been my quick review and unboxing of the Thinkplus LP19. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.